Yellarigu Namaskara. Hello, everyone. Greetings for the day and welcome to our learning journey. This is Divya. You're watching Train Brave. My dear teachers and team members, we are super excited to invite you to our 1 day phonic teacher training workshop, especially planned for all you amazing teachers who are working with the little learners of age 2 to 6 years. We know how tricky it can be sometimes teaching the letters to children, helping them understand the letter and the sound association, helping children blend sounds to read words, making them write, and most importantly, remembering all the 42 sounds in 7 groups. Many teachers say, I know the sounds, but how do I help my children or kids remember them? Some of them also say blending is hard for children. Why do they mix up these letters? Don't worry, we have got all of these covered in our workshop. So, in tomorrow's workshop, you would be given simple steps to learn the phonetic lessons and a fun, engaging, hands on exercises that you can use it in your classroom right from the very next day. So, we learn how to teach phonetics or phonic lessons using the teaching strategy to work on teaching or introducing the sounds, to work with stories, to sing along, to work on actions and games so children stay excited and you feel confident as a teacher. We will be covering letters, letter sounds, the graphical representation, blending, segmenting, and many more conceptions. So join us tomorrow from 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. at our Munnekolaal Center. The reporting time is at 9 a.m. If you miss tomorrow's session, don't worry. You can join the next batch, which is scheduled on 24th of May, Saturday, again at Munnekolaal Center. We are also offering online sessions so you can learn from anywhere. To enroll for online sessions, call us or WhatsApp on the given number below. Let's make phonics simple, joyful, and magical because when teachers feel confident, children shine. I can't wait to see you there. See you all. God bless. This is Divya, and you're watching Train Brain.